Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Kingston College basketball coach Roger Marshall has been suspended from participating in any ISA run competition for 2 years following an altercation with a referee in an under-19 game between KC and San Diego last Wednesday. The sanction was handed down after a disciplinary hearing was held last Friday. Principal of the Queen's School, Jennifer Williams, who is the chairperson for basketball at ISA, gave TVJ Sports this update.
The meeting with the referee and the coach and the vice principal of KC was in attendance. So what came out of that meeting, the points for the under-19 match will be awarded to San Diego High School, and then of course the match, which was the very day of the hearing, they had to forfeit that match. And then of course Roger Marshall, who is the coach for KC, he has been banned from coaching in any ISA run competitions for 2 years, effective Friday, October 21, 2022.
Williams also said that another hearing will be held involving a student who was implicated in the matter on Monday, which could result in further sanctions. That student has been provisionally suspended pending the outcome of Monday's hearing. And while saying that KC will be allowed to continue in the competition, Williams noted that they may lose their right to host the games.
It's a possibility, but we have not yet quite discussed and settled on that as yet, but there is a strong possibility, yes.
TVJ Sports understands that Marshall shoved one of the match officials and was ejected from the contest. Reports are that the coach then got into a physical altercation with the match official before other persons, including at least one student, joined in on the melee, forcing the game to be abandoned. Jamaican 400-meter hurdler Khalees Spencer is set to be promoted to the bronze medal from the London 2012 Olympic Games. This follows a ruling by the Athletics Integrity Unit to strip Russian Natalia Anchuk of her gold medal from the London Games. Anchuk took gold in the women's 400-meter hurdles at the Games, but has now been stripped of that medal after being found to have used a prohibited substance. Evidence of this was uncovered from the Laboratory Information Management System database at the World Anti-Doping Agency's accredited lab in Moscow. Now, her disqualification from the women's 400-meter hurdles also means that American Lashinda Dimas is elevated to the gold, with Zuzana Henova of the Czech Republic taking the silver. Now, although suffering 2 defeats so far, the Reggae Warriors created history and can still qualify for the quarterfinals at the Rugby League World Cup in England. And they fell to their second defeat after losing to New Zealand 68-6 over the weekend. Despite losing heavily, the Jamaicans scored their maiden try at the tournament. With Lebanon's 32-14 victory against Ireland on Sunday, Jamaica can still qualify for the quarterfinals. It means the Reggae Warriors must now defeat Lebanon, with New Zealand getting a victory versus Ireland. Jamaica's match against Lebanon will be played on Sunday, October 30 at 6 a.m. Jamaica time. And that's where we'll leave the scrum for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Kalisha, back to you.